Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on tips to excel in KCET mathematics. I know it took a long time to make this video. I'm apologizing for that, but let me start now. I would like to start by saying that this is one of the easiest subjects. Out of all the three, physics, chemistry and mathematics, maths is the easiest of all. Believe me or not, it will be really very easy. And the other thing is, most questions will be direct. I'll show you the examples later, how easy the questions will come and how direct it will be. Many more, I'll be showing you some 3 or 4 questions, but there are many more like that. And let me tell you, if some of you are like freaking out and getting scared, stop doing that, because it'll come really easy. I'll show you all the questions. They'll be pretty direct, and you don't have to even do writing on the in the workspace. Just directly in mind only you can do it. Such type of questions are going to come, so you don't have to worry at all. It's a subject where you can easily get around 50 to 55 marks. I got that much, and I got 53 in mathematics, but could have got more. I'll show you how I could have got more also. I made like a couple of very silly mistakes. Shouldn't have done that. I'll show you what I did also. You people start laughing at me. And the other thing I want to tell is, you will start writing the exam by watching the clock. It will be put there, and by the time you check the clock next time, already 45 minutes would have passed. You wouldn't get to know only. So I request you to please solve at least 40 questions. If you can manage it, 45 questions in those 45 minutes, because easily one question 1 minute is enough. And it will be a great relief, I'm telling you, to get to know that you are left with still 25 minutes, and you're just about left with around 10 to 15 questions. That will be one of the most wonderful feelings in the world. So make sure you experience that feeling in the exam, right? So this was another thing I wanted to tell. And the guys who are in second PU now, you need to focus on first PU chapters. If you want to really ace the exam, like you need to get around 58 to 60 marks out of 60 in mathematics, you need to solve practice solving from chapters of 11th also, that is PNC, that is permutation and combination, sequence and series, mathematical reasoning, binomial theorem, mathematical induction. These 4-5 chapters, one question is bound to come. In my paper also it had come. So don't neglect these chapters, because you'll think, okay, these are not so much important, I can do it later, and you keep procrastinating, and that keeps going ahead, and finally you'll think that, okay, let me see whatever comes in the exam I'll do, and you probably won't be able to do in the exam. That may happen, but so don't give opportunity to things to happen like that way. And if you really want to ace the exam, these chapters of 11th are a must. You need to do them, so that you can get at least 58 to 60 marks in 58 minimum you can get if you practice these questions, because one question also is very important, and they fetch you 1 mark, right? So that is, you need to do that regularly while practicing also. So I have mentioned the chapters, that is PNC, sequence and series, mathematical reasoning. One question is bound to come. Binomial theorem 1 or 2, and permutation and combination 2-3 will come. That is there, and so that's it. These questions you need to practice, and yes, mathematical induction also, that is also important. They'll ask some easy question like 2 power n, something like that. You have to divide by some number, and what is the something like that they had asked for me. And so the next point is, I'll be showing on the screen. You'll start getting now one of the most easiest questions of KCET 2018 paper. Have a look at those, and you can start laughing if you want, because such type of questions have come in the exam. And second last point which I wanted to inform is, NCERT questions are picked. I'll show you one question now. Some others also are picked, I guess. They are familiar, but the one question which I am showing on the screen right now is directly picked from NCERT, and many other question papers also, board papers, they have been asked, and even previous CET papers they have been asked. So NCERT is a must. You need to do it because they're directly picked. And last but not the least, read the questions properly. Read the complete question. You can see the question which I'm showing on the screen right now. They've asked I think they've asked degree and order instead of order and degree. Usually the questions will be write the order and degree of the differential equation. I haven't read the question. I didn't read the question properly. I just marked off some 2 or 3 or like instead of 3 or 2, something like that, but I made that blunder mistake. Don't do that. Read each and every question completely properly without skipping any word. That is really important. So with this I would like to say that that's all. Like for mathematics, this much if you focus, it is more than enough. It is really very easy to get around 58 to 60 if you make sure you concentrate on all these points. And thanks a lot for watching this video. All the best, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and give a like to this video. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.